this isn't. Okay, so this is July
26, I think.
26?
Here.
I don't know. It's July
26, yeah.
There's July 26th. And we just got done with about a 5-10 minute hailstorm that at first was baseball sized, and then we thankfully, thanks to God, did not break any windshields or windows in my car or Dad's truck or Miss Chrissy's vehicle. And we safely
changed to baseball,
changed to golf ball
to marble until like regular size, and then rain.
Yes, and this is kind of flooded a little bit. We did safely get to some trees which broke up the hail some for us before it hit our vehicles. So now we're just doing just dandy.
On our way to dinner.
For some reason, the sprinkler's on while it was raining.
Imagine that. Might be because it was on a system. I don't know. Maybe timer.
Guys, it looks like it snowed.
Oh my gosh. And also there was a beautiful rainbow too, but man, it scared me.
We're gonna roll down our windows.
It looks like snow.
Look at their roof.
What if it just started again?
Oh gosh.
This is not snow.